Hello guys, this is your friend Chizoba Joy. This evening we are going to cook potato with vegetable for dinner. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Yes. So friends, to cook this potato, you can see the Irish potato. This color of potato is better to cook and eat with fried egg or with anything. The white one is better for chips. This one, when you peel it and put onion, maybe whole onion inside with salt, after cooking it, it looks like yam. Here in Israel, this is what we use to replace yam. So tonight we are going to cook it. I'm going to peel it now with this peeler, and then to cook it we need all this. We need the onion, tomatoes, we need pepper, salt, and of course vegetable oil. We also need this spinach. This is my Nigerian spinach, green. I just plucked it from my garden outside that I showed you. So guys, let me peel this and I will show you the rest of it. Just stay tuned. Yeah guys, you see, this is the potato all peeled and washed. You see your chunk of onion inside it. This will make it to look exactly like yam. Put your salt, water, and chunks of onion, and then you cook. When it's ready, it will be strong and very tasty. This is how we cook it here, potato. Yes. As you can see, potato is ready, very fine, strong like yam. And now these are the ingredients for the sauce. You have your egg, onion, spinach, that is Nigerian spinach, green, and then tomato, seasoning cube, salt, and vegetable oil. So that is it. Now guys, isn't it looking yummy-cious? I tell you, I told you. You see, very yummy-cious and very tasty. You can't beat this. Please guys, try it and you thank me later. Please leave your comment at the comment section. Give this a thumbs up. It's a quick meal. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's grow together. God bless you good. Thanks guys. Wow, so good.